Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Google Pay and making sure your Google account is the one you want to use. This links your Play balance to the right profile. Once done, check that your app is up to date and that a payment method is added. A debit card or linked bank account works best. You're doing this so Google Play accepts the transfer immediately. Now tap the profile icon to continue and move straight to purchasing a Play balance top-up in the app. You'll now locate the Add Money to Google Play option inside Gpay. It may be under Pay or Offers depending on your region. Choose the amount you want to add, because this determines how much shows in Play balance for purchases. Then select your payment method and authorize the charge with your PIN or fingerprint. Make sure to review the transaction details before confirming, since refunds can be limited. After approval, wait for the success confirmation. Finally, verify the added funds by opening Google Play and viewing payment methods or your account balance. You should see the amount immediately. If the balance isn't there, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then force stop the Play Store and restart the app or reboot your device. Syncing delays are common. If the charge appears on your bank but Play balance stays unchanged, contact Google support with your transaction ID. That evidence speeds resolution and ensures you get credited promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.